So first thing this morning, we just stepped outside after having coffee. Linda was putting her contacts in, and I just started thrashing the brush for just a minute. And right across the river, a big bull stood up 64 inches maybe, really close to low in the 60s. We came here for bigger. That moose just crossed downriver from camp. He was right behind camp, about 30 yards, huh, Linda?
Yeah, it's kind of circled around.
So we passed on the first 60-inch bull on the trip. He's come in every single night. We've been here 2 nights in a row now, first thing in the morning. You could have shot him right in the river. That was really cool, huh?
Keep an eye on him. If he keeps coming back like that, we're going to take him.
Yeah. You only have 2 months left before you're going to be out in the field of hunting for moose, whether you're in Canada or you're Alaska. I guess Finland's probably got a little bit different timing, but 2 months, guys, to get all the knowledge you could possibly get to put you in the best chance for success. You've got a lot of money on the line. You've taken time off from work, and it's time to get it figured out. Reach out to me. I would love to help you. This book is incredible. Again, I poured everything into it, and I just hope it blesses you as much as it's blessed me learning over the years of implementing it. And then with so many people asking me about to write a book, and just give me something I can look at and just do, Troy. I hope this blesses you like it has me. It's been fun. Be safe out there.